Who else wants to ethically steal the same click-button software that Russell Brunson and Ryan Deiss are using to flood their businesses with email subscribers and customers? For just $1? Watch full video in description box and comments. Better still, you can get access to this little-known software today along with $2,882 worth of bonuses, for just $1. Yes. I'm ready to try UpViral for just $1. 14-day trial V2. You can cancel anytime during the 14 days without any hassle or funny business. Just log into your account settings and click Cancel My Subscription. Or, you can contact our support team through our help desk, and they'll help you out. It's that simple. Keep reading if you'd like to. Consistently generate more email subscribers and customers for your business without doing any more work. Get access to $2,882 worth of incredible bonuses for just $1. Never feel anxious about where your next email subscriber or customer is coming from again. UpViral is the only lead generation machine that is set and forget. Literally, email subscribers and customers come in even while you sleep with no additional work. Use the same email subscriber and customer generating software that Russell Brunson and Ryan Deiss use. The best free source of traffic that has nothing to do with posting all day on social media or SEO. Join 500 plus business owners who have already generated 51,430,204 email subscribers using UpViral. Never rely on one source of traffic again. With UpViral, you're leveraging word-of-mouth marketing to grow. Fight back against rising ad costs with a referral marketing machine that keeps you in control. Reduce your ad budget and discover the most profitable advertising method in the world. How does UpViral work? Viral marketing is essentially word-of-mouth marketing that is online. It's also the most profitable. That's because you don't have to spend tons of money on paid ads to reap the benefits of this simple little-known method. In fact, did you know that 92% of people trust a referral from a friend or family member above every other form of marketing? Just think about it for a second. If a friend or family member recommends something, you're much more likely to take that next step and purchase what they've suggested. Here's how UpViral works. UpViral Step 1. Someone opts into your lead magnet page, webinar, or free giveaway. UpViral Step 2. On the thank you page, they're given an incentive to share your page with their friends and family on social media. UpViral Step 3. Once they've shared your link on social media, more people come to your page to opt in with their email addresses. This is what is called a referral loop. UpViral Loop Image. The best part? All these additional new email subscribers from the referral links don't cost you a dime. What's more, once you have this set up, your referral generating machine can literally be working day and night for years to come. In fact, I have campaigns that were set up 4 years ago, and they're still bringing me email subscribers and sales even to this day. Hopefully, you can see how powerful this is. It's almost like a spider's web that grows and grows as more people opt in and share your page. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with your existing sites, landing pages, or email list provider. What's more, you can customize UpViral's referral feature for contests. With contests, you incentivize your audience to send you more referrals with a prize giveaway for the person who refers the most people. Yes. I'm ready to try UpViral for just $1. You can cancel anytime during the 14 days without any hassle or funny business. Just log into your account settings and click Cancel My Subscription. Or, you can contact our support team through our help desk, and they'll help you out. It's that simple. Here's what you'll gain with UpViral for just $1. UpViral Mockup Image. Get access to the #1 viral referral generating machine on the planet. Consistently get more email subscribers and customers without more work. Use our plug-and-play software to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's the same viral software that Russell Brunson and Ryan Deiss used to flood their businesses with more email subscribers and customers. Use click button templates, which means you can have campaigns set up in just minutes. You can have your first campaign up and running today. Get a tsunami of email subscribers and customers within weeks of setting up UpViral. Host giveaways to create a huge buzz and generate email subscribers on demand, with no need for paid traffic. The #1 free way to get more hungry buyers and email subscribers without posting on social media or using SEO. Use viral waitlists to get the ultimate edge with a viral waitlist that builds your customer base before your next big launch. Multiply your results with paid traffic because each email subscriber you get with paid ads can be multiplied with our viral software. This is your opportunity to fight back against rising ad costs and use a much cheaper tool to generate email subscribers and customers like clockwork. We are proud to say that we have generated 51,430,204 email subscribers for our 3,500 plus customers. UpViral can bring you sales and email subscribers even in your sleep. I have campaigns set up years ago that still bring me leads and sales today. Use viral sweepstakes to whip up a frenzy of social shares and new referrals with UpViral's fully featured sweepstakes. You'll also get access to $2,882 worth of incredible bonuses. Bonus number 1. Implementation training. UpViral bonus number 1. Price value $197. This is our step-by-step video guide to get you set up with UpViral in literally 30 minutes or less. That means once you have everything set up you could be bringing in new email subscribers and customers as soon as tonight. Our quick start video guide literally takes all the guesswork out of using UpViral. It doesn't matter if you have zero technical experience. Our quick start video could literally teach a child how to use UpViral. Bonus number 2. Plus 10 ready-made campaign templates. UpViral bonus number 2. Price value $997. Here we will literally reveal a campaign that you can launch in minutes to start bringing in a surge of new email subscribers and sales. You've probably heard of the term plug and play before. Well, this is as close as it gets to it. If you're new to referral marketing, this is a great first step to recoup your investment almost instantly.